Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of natural skincare, focusing on achieving that radiant, glowing complexion using ingredients you can find right in your kitchen. In this video, I'm spilling all the secrets on 10 amazing home remedies for skin whitening that are gentle, effective, and won't break the bank. Remember, beautiful skin is healthy skin, and we want to treat it with care. Now let's get glowing. Let's kick things off with a classic combination: lemon juice and honey. This dynamic duo has been a staple in skincare routines for centuries, and for good reason. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture to the skin, which helps keep it hydrated and plump. It's also packed with antioxidants that can help repair and protect your skin from damage. Meanwhile, lemon is packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It also has natural astringent properties that can help tighten the skin and reduce oiliness. For this DIY mask, you'll need fresh lemon juice and raw organic honey. It's important to use fresh ingredients to ensure you're getting the maximum benefits. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a bowl. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is more potent and effective than store-bought versions. Add about a tablespoon of honey to the lemon juice. Mix it until smooth, ensuring the two ingredients are well combined. Then, apply the mixture evenly to your cleansed face, avoiding the eye area. The skin around your eyes is delicate and can be sensitive to the acidity of the lemon juice. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows enough time for the ingredients to penetrate your skin and work their magic. After the time is up, rinse your face with lukewarm water. Lukewarm water helps to gently remove the mask without shocking your skin. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and glowing. The combination of honey and lemon leaves your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and tone. So go ahead, give it a try and enjoy the journey to brighter, healthier skin. Let's uncover a timeless beauty secret: milk and turmeric. This ancient remedy has been cherished for centuries, passed down through generations for its remarkable benefits. Turmeric is a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, known for its ability to brighten the skin and reduce blemishes. Its vibrant yellow color is a testament to its potency, while milk is packed with lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that helps to remove dead skin cells and reveal a fresher, more youthful complexion. The combination of these two ingredients creates a powerful skincare duo. To create this mask, you'll need turmeric powder and raw milk. These simple ingredients are easily accessible and can be found in most kitchens. Measure out a teaspoon of turmeric, ensuring you have the right amount to harness its full benefits. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric with a tablespoon or 2 of milk until you have a paste-like consistency. The mixture should be smooth and easy to apply. Apply this golden goodness to your face and neck, making sure to cover all areas evenly. The mask will feel cool and soothing on your skin. Leave the mask on for about 20 minutes. During this time, you can relax and let the ingredients work their magic. The mask will start to dry and tighten slightly. Rinse it off with warm water, gently massaging your skin to remove any residue. This step is crucial to ensure all the turmeric is washed away, leaving your skin clean and refreshed. Your complexion will look incredibly soft, smooth, and radiant. The mask helps to even out skin tone and impart a natural glow. Incorporate this mask into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency is key to achieving and maintaining luminous skin. With regular use, your skin will be glowing like never before. Embrace this ancient secret and enjoy the benefits of naturally radiant skin. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and revealing fresh, radiant skin. The dynamic duo of yogurt and oatmeal is perfect for gentle exfoliation. Yogurt is a natural source of lactic acid, while oatmeal is calming and hydrating. Mix 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with 1 tablespoon of finely ground oatmeal. Gently massage this mixture onto your face and neck in circular motions. Leave the scrub on for about 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel fresh and radiant. Use this scrub 1 to 2 times a week. Enjoy that amazing glow. Get ready for a tropical treat: papaya and honey. Papaya is packed with papain, an enzyme known for its exfoliating properties, while honey is a hydrating hero. Scoop out half a cup of papaya flesh and mash it until smooth. Add a tablespoon of honey and mix well. Apply this mixture to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel refreshed, revitalized, and glowing. Use this mask 1 to 2 times a week. Indulge in this tropical treat for radiant skin. Aloe vera gel is a skincare superhero, calming irritation, reducing redness, and promoting a healthy, radiant complexion. This natural wonder has been used for centuries for its healing properties. It's packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory agents. These nutrients work together to nourish your skin deeply. If you have an aloe vera plant, snip off a leaf, slice it open, and scoop out the gel. This fresh gel is the purest form you can get. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your face and neck. This simple step can make a big difference in your skincare routine. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed. The gel penetrates deeply, providing hydration without any greasy residue. You can use it around your eyes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Its cooling effect soothes tired eyes, making you look more awake and refreshed. Aloe vera gel can be used daily, incorporated into your skincare routine. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, it adapts to your needs. It's versatile and effective, working wonders on its own or mixed with other natural ingredients. Combine it with honey for a hydrating mask or with lemon juice for a brightening effect. Get creative and see the amazing results. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best for your skin. Aloe vera gel is truly a gift from nature, offering endless possibilities for radiant, healthy skin. Experience the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda with gram flower and rose water. Gram flower is a natural exfoliant, while rose water tones and hydrates. Mix 2 tablespoons of gram flower with enough rose water to form a smooth paste. Apply this fragrant paste to your face and neck in gentle, circular motions. Leave the mask on for about 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and radiant. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Experience the transformative power of Ayurveda for yourself. Your skin will thank you. Cucumber and lemon juice is a refreshing combination for brightening and evening out skin tone. Blend a cucumber until smooth, then mix with the juice of half a lemon. Apply this mixture to your face and neck using a cotton ball or spray bottle. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel cool, refreshed, and radiant. Use this tonic 2 to 3 times a week. Enjoy a refreshing boost of radiance. Your skin will look bright and even. Whip up a skin-loving treat with tomato and sugar. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, while sugar is a natural exfoliant. Cut a tomato in half, dip it in sugar, and gently rub it all over your face and neck. Focus on dry or rough areas. Continue scrubbing for about 10 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and radiant. Use this scrub 1 to 2 times a week for a radiant glow. Potato juice is a powerhouse of skin-loving nutrients, brightening skin tone and fading dark spots. Grate a potato finely or juice it. Soak a cotton ball in the juice and apply it to your face and neck. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will look bright, fresh, and radiant. Use this treatment daily for best results. Rice flour and milk is a simple yet effective combination for brightening and smoothing skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of rice flour with enough milk to form a smooth paste. Apply this paste to your face and neck in gentle, circular motions. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and radiant. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Experience the transformative power of ancient beauty secrets. Your skin will thank you. There you have it, gorgeous. 10 amazing home remedies for skin whitening that you can easily try at home. Remember, achieving radiant, glowing skin is a journey, not a destination. Be patient, be consistent with your skincare routine, and embrace your natural beauty. If you found these natural beauty tips helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the most beautiful thing you can wear is a smile. See you in my next video.